So, you guys, I have this here, and I was able to correct the damage with my teeth. A big insecurity that I have, and it's all because of this pop-on veneers. They are awesome. They make me look how easy it is. Feel so much better about myself. I'm still learning to speak with them and everything, but they're awesome. It's so worth it. If you're having insecurities, if you feel bad about how you look, or if you need just the inspiration or courage to go on, I highly recommend. They look great. Mine are Hollywood white. Customer service was awesome. Shipping time was quick. Put your orders in, you guys. You need this. You need to get it. So, take it from me. I love them. See that? You guys, get you some.